Hello there, I'm Jeanette Lane, and today I'm sharing the latest Apple Blossom card making collection kit. It is overflowing with good things. So we have an ideas magazine, an embossing folder, a stamp set, a die set, and also some coordinating papers and toppers. So let's dive into the kit just to show you everything up close. You're not going to want to miss this. This exclusive card making kit has 172 items and it's worth over 50 pounds. So it's such a deal. And I really want to show you the embossing folder, the stamp set, and the die set up close because I really feel that they're the stars of the kit. Now, the embossing folder that comes with the kit is an all-occasion embossing folder, which is part of the same family as the popular quote-unquote that embossing folder. And I love the signature wave pattern across the center and also the two contrasting patterns. They really pair well together and they're really fun to play with. Now let's move on to the dies. So there are 5 dies on this set, and the main focus of the die set is the wave, and it works together with the embossing folder that I just shared, and also the wave toppers in the paper pack. And also the flower die works with the flower stamps, which I'm going to show you in just a bit, and the flower toppers again in the paper pack. So everything just coordinates so well. The stamp set comes with 10 image and sentiment stamps, and the curved sentiments are really cute. They say, sending birthday wishes, thinking of you, have a wonderful day, and these are perfect for all occasion cards. Now, the curved sentiments on your stamp set, they fit onto the wave on the die set and in the paper pack. But if you don't want to stamp them on a curve, then you can just cut out the words individually. So really a versatile set. This 156 item paper pack has been designed to work in conjunction with the rest of your kit, and the wave toppers can either be die cut with your die set or they can be trimmed by hand, and they fit perfectly into the wave area of the embossing folder. The flowers can also be die cut, and all the toppers, frames, and sentiments provide the perfect finishing touch for your makes. Now, besides the stamp set, the embossing folder, the die set, and the papers and toppers, you also get this 68-page ideas magazine, and there are 73 projects inside for you to try. This magazine is overflowing with ideas. There are 73 designs for all occasions, as well as summer-themed ideas, cards for men, off-the-page inspiration, monochrome designs, as well as expert tips and tricks and step-by-step coloring guides, clever embossing ideas, how to make the most of your stamps, and exclusive reader offers. There is so much going on. You don't want to miss this kit. And on top of all of this, there is a chance for you to win 500 pounds in prizes from CraftStash. Don't miss out on getting your own Apple Blossom card making collection kit. And there's 2 places that you can get your kit. You can get that at craftstash.co.uk or moremags.com. I'm Jeanette Lane. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you real soon.